He has a history of a torn bicep tendon, and I can feel the fibrosis right here. And he's noticed even some fasciculations, which are creating a possible and hinting at a possible tear in there as well. So obviously I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to numb it up first.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to do lidocaine. You'll feel a pinch of the skin, burning with the lidocaine going in, and I'm going to start here and just go all the way up to here.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm going to go all the way to this attachment and actually inject where the bicep tendon attaches to. Okay. So you let me know if it bothers you, but I'm just going to keep at it.
Okay.
Okay. I find the best way with this stuff is get it done as fast as possible.
Okay.
And then after I numb everything, I'll go back and then I'll inject the PRP into these areas. So with PRP, what our goal is to, the first thing that gets injured in an area, the platelet is the first thing to go to the area, and that creates your own healing response and ultimately your own stem cells. So people that get chronically injured, your acute phase inflammation works, but then you go in this chronic phase and your body didn't heal it perfectly. And then the question is why? That's what we don't know. That's what a lot of research is being done on right now. But you just stay in this chronically inflamed state. With a PRP, for example, we're recreating this acute inflammatory state to try to stimulate your body to heal itself. Okay, so we're getting ready to inject a torn supraspinatus tendon with subsequent supraspinatus atrophy. So the tendon has retracted, which we've seen with the ultrasound, and we'll be injecting into the attachment as well as to where part of the retraction is. Not all of it's retracted, so we will be injecting the tendon that's still attached into the attachment on the humerus. And then there's also an infraspinatus tear as well. We'll be injecting that. And there's also subsequent infraspinatus atrophy. And I'm going to be injecting the muscle belly as well with the stem cell injections, as we have seen the muscle regrow from this. But the big thing is if we can stabilize the tendon, then subsequently to the atrophy can improve. Here's the first one. On 3, 1, 2, 3. So far, we've done PRP to an old bicep injury, and now doing stem cell to a pretty severely torn supraspinatus and infraspinatus tendon, and now going into the muscle bellies of the atrophy of the supraspinatus and infraspinatus.